Greetings. Gratitude greetings. Yes, we are live. And it is always special when our clients win. It's bigger joy than personal wins. Today is a great day. Yes, we are celebrating Dr. Suruchi's efforts, journey, results, transformation. And I can just recap and see the whole movie, a journey of 12 months with lot of joy, gratitude. How are you feeling, Beena?
I am very, very, very happy because not just for all the material accomplishments we see in the world, but I can see the transformation that Suruchi has had as a person. And I can see such a evolved person from where she was to where she is now. And I think in the end, that is all that matters. Today, I can be a millionaire. And yet, if I am so attached to what I have done, my evolution from this moment stops. And this detachment is what is the most beautiful thing about this journey. This will keep us centered and in the space where we want to be, and always reminding ourselves, why did I start this journey in the first place? So Suruchi has come truly a long way. She is a person who's so dedicated and committed. She is a person who is always open to learn, and she is implementing every single thing so thoughtfully, never giving up, and you know carrying it on with that kind of love and passion that I keep talking about in our sessions. There is one thing that I am learning and implementing, but the way she imbibes everything, the way she absorbs herself in what she does, that is the beauty I look at when I see Suruchi. She is a pure reflection of the true essence we keep talking about. So congratulations, Suruchi, for the way you have bloomed, the way you have achieved so much in your journey, and who you have become today. Thank you so much. And I know that all the great questions are coming from Sunny now.
Suruchi, you are a lioness. You are a Bruce Lee. You have practiced one kick 10,000 times. So we're all afraid of you. I know you have got great compliments from your clients. I want you to quickly recollect your community building moments, your classes, all the compliments, if you would like to share here, and revive your brain with unlimited joy, because these are intangible results. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So first of all, I want to begin with the feeling of gratitude towards both of you, Sunny and Veena, that the things you have given me is it cannot be described in words. So as you have said, Veena, it is all about inner transformation. So as I have put in my post today, that it was one step ahead towards the ultimate goal of my life. This is not a small thing. This program has given me one many steps ahead towards my ultimate goal. So when Sunny ji has talked about how I was feeling while getting the feedbacks from my clients. So as you have said that you will attract the same people like you, so this is what I felt. I just saw mirrors, I was just seeing other Suruchis in them, the problems, the issues they were facing. So I had a very emotional time, and I had to be in that coach's role when I was giving sessions to them. And I could feel that I had that compassion during those sessions. And when they said that I helped them and gave them the clarity, I cannot describe in words what amount of contentment I had while having those feedbacks. So that is for 1 CR per session for me, like having that feedback, that is invaluable.
So true. Yes. Now, there are many people who don't even take up programs, fearing the investment? What is your one message for them?
See, if you want to remain an average person, stay there, don't join any program. If you want to become extraordinary person, you have to take extraordinary steps in your life, right? So these money investment, these are nothing if you want to become extraordinary. So you have to, uh, push yourself and break these barriers. These are the blockages that I also had, that blockage that Bina broke that barrier while I was having the money issues and everything. So step by step, how beautifully and subtly you helped me to break all the barriers, I cannot tell. One by one, one by one, you crushed all the blockages in me, you and Sunny ji. It was beautiful. And the fee of this program is nothing in front of what we get in return.
Thank you, Suruchi. Now, चलो प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन कर लिया, हम आपके जैसे सुपर स्पीकर बन गए, है ना? यू आर अ ग्रेट स्पीकर, यू आर अ ग्रेट कोच. बट प्रोग्राम के अंदर आके भी लोग भटक रहे होते हैं, डाउट कर रहे होते हैं, वैली ऑफ डिस्पेयर में जाते हैं, है ना? तो उनके लिए क्या मैसेज है?
Valley of despair, as you have said, this is a valley. This is not something like it will never end. Have that faith that you will come out with that support. Don't just sit there that I cannot go out, nobody's there, they are not helping me, I am sitting there, life is like that. Have that faith that they are giving you the hands. At least offer that and let them let them make you come out of that valley of despair. Have faith in your mentors. Otherwise, with doubt and that, you will remain in the same situations forever. If you keep on doubting yourself and doubting your mentors, if you have joined the program, have faith till the end. Have that patience, because as they said, the mentors have that drone eye view. You cannot see what they are seeing because we are not in that position yet. We cannot see what they are seeing in us. So they know better than us. So have that faith. Surrender yourself if you truly want to grow out of your cocoon and your shell.
Which are three things you love about our program, which you feel benefited you the most?
I can number, I can 2, 3, 4 things are immensely there are numerous things, but if I count like 3, 4 things, first of all, it was the alignment, inner and outer alignment, my own transformation. You helped me to bail out my own self from a negative relationship with my own self. I had a negative relationship with my own self. I never trusted, truly trusted on my abilities. I always doubted if I'm doing right or not. I always judging and criticizing my own self. That was the first thing that you helped me. And that was a huge, massive thing. This is not a small thing, that I developed a very positive relationship with my own self. I started loving myself, accepting, and I understood that I am unique and I have a unique purpose on this earth. So I developed that trust. That was the first massive transformation that I got from this program. And then I understood business. I had no sense of business. You taught me the spiritual side of business. Being a spiritual person, you helped me to understand how at every step we have to break our ego. Actually, the biggest barrier in the business is your ego. Actually, at every step, Sunny ji and Beena ji told me how ego is playing inside me in a very, very subtle way. So that was also a very, very good thing that I got from this program. And then my relationship with my clients, if I talk about my family relationship, my personal relationship, my relationship with clients, professional and person, both relationships, they are bloomed. I understood what is the right kind of attitude towards the clients and what is the right kind of attitude we should have towards the family and relationships. The expectations I was having, Beena, one by one, crush them one by one. So I still remember when I talked to her about relationships and everything. So she told me there are no others, there are only mirrors. So so this was these were the most if I say broadly, these were the things that that transformed me as a person. And
Amazing.
one thing more I would like to, the practice sessions are of huge help to us. All the community members, they all say that practice, we do lot of practice of closing and discovery calls, sales calls, and coaching sessions, and we have a beautiful community. We do peer coaching, and we not only learn from you, but learn from our colleagues, our fellow coaches. So this was also very helpful for me.
Amazing. Do you remember the day when you were not participating in Super Speaker?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank
And from then,
thank you for touching this issue, because super speaker was my hugest, grammatically wrong here, but this is a hugest dream of my life to become a speaker. So that was the first step that carved out my way to become a speaker. I always wanted to become a speaker. I didn't know how to become, but you gave me the way to affirmations, and then you
देखो जी
showed.
मेरे पीछे बीना पड़ी थी, कर लो, बना लो वीडियो. So I passed it on to you.
Thank
That's
you
it.
so much for that. I will be ever grateful for that, because that helped me to recognize the speaker in me. I got the recognition through Success Gyan Super Speaker Challenge. I got really, that exposure of speaking. And so right now I'm very happy being a communication coach, and thank you so much
ये
for
भी
that.
बोलो top 2000, top
Top
500. What a
500, yes.
great journey. Yes. 1 year of learning. Amazing. Being in the company of awesome people. So, what are two things you want to take from Veena for your life?
Alignment. One thing I want to tell her, that I don't know how she recognizes your inner, vibrations. I don't know how she quickly judges how you are, what are you doing in your person. I have never talked what I'm doing. So she's still able to judge that. So this is what I want to understand, how she does
रेकी
that.
ग्रैंड मास्टर है, ब्रेथ वर्क भी कराती है.
Yeah, yeah. So, and I always appreciate, I always look up to the charisma she carries. So this is what I always try to imbibe in myself. She is a spiritual healer, spiritual marketer, and her Gita lessons inspire me a lot. So all these things, she has amalgamated spirituality and marketing, Gita and marketing, and I love this thing about her. And I look up to her. I want to become like her. That I am also able to follow these footsteps in my business also.
Awesome. Now, moving ahead, what all did you gain apart from financial abundance from this course? Because we all come into a course with 3x guarantee, 6x guarantee, double your investment or double your time, right? So you got much more than that in your health, in your emotions, in your relationships, in your parenting journey. So what did you actually gain apart from the abundance, money?
There are several things. I have told that inner transformation was one thing that changed the whole scenario of my relationships and my life, my relationship with my daughter. As you have told that, I remember one time you told that we always seek certificates from our children. That is why we don't say anything. We don't want to look bad in front of our children. Sometimes we have to say things, and we have to be firm. So I remember many of these lessons, yeah, that you and Beena has given me. So in relationship with my family members, most especially, that you helped me a lot to understand a little things how I am expecting from them, and you helped me to understand their perspective, and that was shocking for me. I never felt that way. I never saw that perspective in my life about my relationships. That was amazing for me, and that was life changing for me. I understood that however I thought that I have a lot of knowledge about relationships. I'm very good, I give a lot to them, but when you told me about certain perspectives, those were bitter pills for me initially, but I gradually I understood.
बताया
So,
तो नहीं,
sorry.
हाँ नहीं बता रही है, पहले तो नहीं बताया. ब्रेन डिजाइन में आपने कौन कौन सी टैलेंट्स रिकॉग्नाइज की अपने में जो इतने साल, इतने डेकेड्स हमने यूज नहीं की?
Yeah, I through the brain profiling, you helped me to understand why I am behaving in the way I am behaving. Why I'm so inclined towards one thing in my life, and why I'm not inclined towards certain things in my life. I understood. So it was again a real shock for me, a massive big shock for me that I'm fighting for the things that I cannot do. Actually, I don't have that, that don't I do not have that attitude. I do not have that design. Why I'm fighting to become what I am not. So all my entire life I was struggling to become what I'm not. And I understood the again relationships made helped me a lot. It helped me to understand the brain design of my family members, my mom, my brother, my husband, my daughter. I understood their brain design and why they are behaving in that manner, and that made me more accepting their their behaviors and their nature. So I was more accepting towards others, and yes, it helped me a lot.
What is your financial goal for next 5 years or next 1 year?
Definitely, we have discussed so many times. Next 6 months, it is once a year. Yeah,
And it is
next
coming.
1 year. Yeah.
Yes. So these are the big goals that become easy and natural. And you stay in this vibe. Over to you, Beena, for the parting shot.
Yes, so your one message to Suruchi, those who really give up very soon, who don't trust and surrender to the process, and to those who really are capable, they take a few steps. But as we say that we all sometimes get into that valley of despair, and then we start victimizing ourselves, and we say, "Oh, it's not happening, it's not working, I don't know how to do it," and all that self-talk starts. So, what is your message to those people who are, who stop in between this journey?
If I say in one word, now I was, reflecting upon this thing from past few days, that be uncomfortable. Be uncomfortable till the end of your last breath. This is how you can grow. If you are going in your comfort zone, no, I can't do. मेरे से नहीं होता है ये lead generation, और मेरे से नहीं. That is your comfort zone. You are lying to yourself. You are keeping yourself in the dark. So be comfortable and be happy in the average, mediocre life. This is this is the bitter pill that I want to give to everyone, because this was bitter pill to myself. Be uncomfortable, push your limits, and do what you cannot do. Do what you cannot do. So this is how you will grow. This is the one thing I have learned from this entire program, entire journey.
And you're so
And
proud
why
of you.
I asked you this question, because you have pushed boundaries, you have kept so much of patience. So you are truly that person who can guide people with that. And all my best wishes and regards to you for your resilience, for your patience, for your commitment, and for the beautiful journey you decided to take for yourself. And all of us here are just that one decision away. One decision away to make a new life, one decision away to be uncomfortable, one decision away to love the unknown where we are going to be walking. And believe me, together, when we are in a tribe, that togetherness makes that unknown journey very beautiful. So if you get a mentor like Suruchi, handhold with her, she will walk you through on your journey. And somebody who's done it for themselves, they are the only people who can teach others. Why? Because transformed people transform others. So thank
Yes.
you so much, Dr. Suruchi. It is such a pleasure to meet you every time we meet. And best wishes for your upcoming journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Music Smart. You are a great speaker. Thank you.
Thank you so much.